Alright guys, so I'm completely making up this recipe, but I don't see how it will be bad because it's how I make chicken parm a lot of the times. So what we're gonna do is I have some cut up chicken thighs over here. I have flour seasoned with salt and pepper, regular egg, and then I made these breadcrumbs from my sourdough a couple days ago, and we're gonna use this as the breading for our basically homemade chicken nuggets. This, in case you did not see that video, this is seasoned like kind of Italian style. It has garlic powder, onion powder, Italian herbs in it, some like spicy smoked peppers in it. I did not salt it, but I did salt this. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna use for like the batter on the outside. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you my method of how I do it. And yeah, I mean, it's probably gonna be a pretty quick video, I imagine. So we're just gonna get to it. I personally like to do my chicken in the flour, egg, and then the breadcrumbs. So that's what we're gonna do. And I'm gonna use my hands because, you know, it works better this way. I also do have my oven preheated to 425 degrees. So, yep. I'm gonna try not to be in the way with my hand, but it probably will be in the way. Also, if you have plain breadcrumbs, you can just season the breadcrumbs with whatever you want. These are, I guess, more of an Italian style. So, I guess we're gonna have kind of like Italian style chicken nuggets. I prefer making my chicken like this because I don't like to fry things normally. I mean, I'll fry things if like I have to, but we're not giant fans of fried food. So I like baking it in the oven. Alright, so as you guys can see, I'll show you what I have on the baking sheet. I'm just going to repeat these steps like a jillion times. And then I'm going to bake it at 425 for like 10 minutes. And then I'm going to flip it. And then we'll probably do another like 8 to 10 minutes depending, because these are pretty small. So yeah, I'm just going to get to doing this. You all can watch if you want. I'm probably going to speed it up because no one wants to watch this. Yeah. Right, before I put these in the oven, I am going to drizzle them with just a little bit of olive oil, just to give them a little bit of moisture, but not a ton. Also, my olive oil is garlic infused, so these are going to be really garlicky. Alright, now I'm going to put these in the oven for like 10 minutes, flip them, and cook them for another 8 to 10 minutes, and we'll see where they're at. Alright, so it's been 10 minutes. I'm just gonna flip them over. I'm not gonna make you all watch me flip every single one of these because that would be painful. But they look good so far. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do 8 minutes after I put them back in. And we'll see where they are after 8 minutes. So I'll be back. Guys, these look so good. I'm so excited. I'm so excited for these. They look so good. So I did 10 minutes, flipped them, and then I did another 8 minutes. And they're crunchy. I'm so excited. We'll have to see what Jonathan thinks, but I think they're gonna be good. Okay, John's gonna try the chicken.
First off, it looks like Chick Fil A, like nuggets.
Yeah, pretty much. Listen to the crunch. They're probably a little Italian-y because I made them Italian breadcrumbs, but...
It tastes like chicken nuggets.
Yeah, I mean, not chicken nuggets from the store, but... You know what's crazy is, that was a loaf of sourdough, and then I repurposed it and made it into chicken.
No, you didn't get into chicken. But...
Well, I didn't make the chicken, but I made it. Nuggets! Is it good? Would you let me make it again? I say let me, but would you eat it again? Well, that's good. You have anything to say?
Are the chicken tenders? Like what's
They're thighs. The thighs we got from Sam's. So.
Just cut up in little pieces and bread together.
Yeah.
They weren't like milled into together.
No, they were thighs. I mean, you can cut them into whatever shape you want. I just cut them into nugget shapes.
Yeah.
So yeah.
They're delicious.
All right. Well, there's Calvin, but Calvin's licking some things. Calvin, licking the things. All right, Calvin, can you say bye?
No.
Can you say bye, and we'll see you in the next video?
Never.
Never. Okay, bye.